Hi guys, another charity shop gold or garbage episode. I showed you these very briefly in the previous episode and I'll actually unbox them and see what's in them today. It's a bit of noise in the background because my computer's just doing an update, so I've left it on, so there's a bit of a hiss from the fan. Anyway, yeah, picked these up in the bargain store yesterday. £1.50 each, which is a bit more than I like to spend. I don't like to spend more than £1 on an item. But they fit right into one of the comments in one of my videos. Somebody wants me to make some toys with magnets. And I thought, well, what could be more ideal than Supermag, Magnetic Genius toy. Got 6 bars that are 2.5 centimeters long. 10 bars that are, what's that, about 1.25 or 1.5 centimeters, and 8 spheres that are 1 centimeter. I'm going by this, I don't know if that's visible, there's a height scale there. Anyway, let's have a look. Oops, upside down. Oh, never mind. So there's our all stuck together now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 8 spheres. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 short bars. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 large bars. So the full set's there. There's a couple of tiny little ball bearings there that somebody's probably dropped in at the same time. Well, so that's established there all in that kit. Let's have a look in the other kit. There. Open that one the right way up. Welcome to the world of plastwood. Simply genius. There we are. 8 balls. 10 short bars, 6 large bars. So what can we make with them? Well, obviously we could follow the instructions on the outside of the box, or even read the instructions that come with it. Or is that just an advert? There's some examples of shapes you can make. Or you can get really clever and build enormous things. I'm fully confident these are actually neodymium magnets in here because they're very strong. I did notice on the outside one of these kits is supposed to glow in the dark. So I suppose I could try shining a torch on them or something. I don't recommend holding them next to the light, just in case you've got a metal light fitting and the magnets are strong enough to jump up and hit the light then. If you've never played with neodymium magnets, you need to be aware they are very, very strong. If you get the larger ones, you can let them snap together and catch your fingers inside and give yourselves a blood blister or a pinch, whatever you call them. And you get the really big ones and you can actually crush your fingers in them. I think the idea of these is because they're encapsulated in plastic, then they should be relatively safe to play with. Let's see what we can make quickly. I don't think those little ball bearings are supposed to be part of the kit. Okay, I made a dog. Better give it a tail, I suppose. Dog with a tail. Not quite the fancy shapes they're showing in the pictures, but that's a start. I can make it turn his head. Which gives me an idea for some other toys that we can make with this, or slightly more complicated things. Oops. I can start using some electromagnets around there and make it do more complicated things. So there we are, a very quick magnetic toy made with a purpose-built magnetic toy kit. I suppose I'll make something a little bit more complicated with it, or geometric shape as they show you. I've changed the camera settings so we can have a quick look in low light conditions to see if they do actually glow in the dark, and yes they do, they're quite pretty. That's only one of those sets glows in the dark. So what can we say? Charity shop, gold or garbage? Got to say gold. The sets are complete and they work, they do what they say on the box, and they're quite fun. They're Italian made and they cost me £1.50 each. I've no idea how much they'd be brand new, but they'll fit nicely into my little project or series that I'm going to do on magnetic toys. So there we go, job done.